How do I reset my Bose earbuds?
Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning about how to reset your Bose earbuds. Resetting your earbuds can be useful for troubleshooting various issues like connection problems, poor sound quality, or unexpected behaviors.
What you'll need.
To reset your Bose earbuds, you won't need much. Your Bose earbuds, the charging case that came with your earbuds, a power source, such as a wall outlet, to plug the charging case into.
Preparing for the reset.
First, ensure that your earbuds are in the charging case and that the charging case is plugged into a power source. Your earbuds should start charging right away, which is indicated by the LED lights on the case.
Performing the reset.
Next, here's how to perform the reset. 1. Open the charging case. Your Bose earbuds should be inside and charging. 2. Press and hold the Bluetooth button. On the charging case, find the Bluetooth button. This button is often located on the front or side of the charging case. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. 3. Release the button. After you've held down the button for 10 seconds, release it. This will reset your Bose earbuds. 4. Wait for the blinking lights. The LED lights on your charging case should blink, indicating that the reset is successful.
Reconnecting your earbuds.
After resetting your earbuds, you'll need to reconnect them to your device. 1. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. 2. Find your Bose earbuds in the list of available devices. They may be listed as Bose earbuds or a similar name. 3. Tap on the name of your earbuds to reconnect them to your device. Now, your Bose earbuds should be reset and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in teaching you how to reset your Bose earbuds. Resetting your earbuds can be a great way to troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. If you're still having problems after a reset, we recommend reaching out to Bose customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.